Hello everyone, you're on the Crypto House channel. Continuing to review project for simple and profitable cryptocurrency earning. Today I would like to tell you about the CarinaBot project, which provides an opportunity to receive passive income from trading in the Forex market. The CarinaBot project team has developed a smart algorithm that automatically analyzes the EUR or USD currency pair within a range of up to several minutes. Based on the analysis, the bot enters into quick deals with leverage, thereby getting a good profit with minimal risk. CarinaBot's analysis is based on the price versus derivation strategy. CarinaBot compares current EUR or USD price with its own derivation, resulting from a triangular model of other currency pair and their combinations. Approximately 4 or 5x weekly, there is a deviation and EUR or USD slips out of the usual balanced range. This is the profitable opportunity CarinaBot is waiting for. The advantage of using CarinaBot over manual trading is lower risk and more stable income. CarinaBot allows you to earn 3.9% per month on full liability without the need to independently analyze charts and conclude transactions, and even without paying for any subscriptions, only with a commission of 10% of net profit, which begins to be charged after 3 months of completely free work. At the same time, as the developers of CarinaBot say, the advantageous difference between their product and competitors is the full control of users over their funds. CarinaBot doesn't store investors' funds but concludes transactions through the client's brokerage account using API keys, but at the same time, the process of getting started with CarinaBot is implemented very conveniently, and you don't have to manually create accounts on any site, copy API keys, and so on. First of all, you need to create an account on the CarinaBot website. To do this, you only need to specify an email and confirm it with a one-time code. After that, you will be taken to your personal account where you will immediately be offered to bin API keys. Here you can select the item "I don't have an API key", and then you will immediately be prompted to fill in the data for registering an account with a broker. To do this, you will need to specify the country and address of residence, gender, name, phone number, email, and password. This is all done right inside the CarinaBot personal account, and after filling in all the API data, the broker's keys will be automatically transferred to the CarinaBot. Specifically, in the case of CarinaBot, the Toro-based broker is used. The choice fell on him due to the availability of flexible options for working with leverage, which allows the bot to maximize profits, and also due to the fact that this broker uses the fastest and most advanced version of the API protocol, which allows CarinaBot to make transactions with maximum efficiency and minimal delays. After you have created an account and linked the keys, you will need to replenish the balance, which will be used by the bot to make transactions. You can do this directly from your CarinaBot personal account or by going to your account on the Toro Base broker website. It seems to me that it will be more convenient to do everything from the CarinaBot personal account. Here you can replenish the balance with both cryptocurrency and fiat from a bank card. Which cryptocurrency you will replenish the balance and withdraw profit depends on the currency of your account, which you chose when creating an account with the broker in the previous step. But in any case, the replenishment algorithm will be the same. You just need to copy the wallet address and transfer the desired amount to it. The CarinaBot FAQ says that there are no minimum deposit limits and you can start working with as little as $1. However, when replenishing, we are informed that the most optional amount for the bot to work starts at $100. And after you replenish the balance, CarinaBot will start working and bring you profit. Just keep in mind that the traditional fiat market, unlike the cryptocurrency market, works only on weekdays. And since CarinaBot trades only one pair of assets, EUR or USD, it concludes transactions only on weekdays. So, for example, if you create an account and replenish the balance on Saturday, then the first transaction in your personal account will be displayed no early than Monday. As for the withdrawal of profit, there are no restrictions on this. You can pause the bot or turn it off completely at any time and then withdraw funds from your broker account linked to CarinaBot. Also, if you wish, you can try out CarinaBot in test mode using a demo account in which you can monitor all transactions of the bot in real time. Plus, CarinaBot developers have a public account where you can track bot transactions even without creating an account. And lastly, regarding the payment for the service of the bot, as I said, CarinaBot doesn't charge users any subscription fees. The income of the bot and its developers is formed from commissions that are charged from the net profit of users. Specifically, in the case of CarinaBot, the commission is 10%. Payment occurs every 3 months. That is, for example, if in 3 months the bot traded you a net profit of $1,000, you will need to pay $100. However, the first 3 months at CarinaBot are completely free and no commission is charged from them. So during this time you can try CarinaBot service without any fee. You can find more details about the CarinaBot project at the link in the description. However, of course, keep in mind that my video is not a call for investment or a financial advice. Any investment in cryptocurrency comes with a lot of risk, so you should always do your own research. That's all for now. The Crypto House channel was with you, a place of new technologies. See you, bye bye!